Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn a design like this into one like this using free AI. First, open Chrome or another web browser, then search for Pinterest and type in Mid-Journey Prompt. After that, lots of images with prompts will appear. Simply choose the one that matches the design you want to create. Okay, I've found the style I want to use. The prompt is already provided below. Just retype the prompt, then open the Flow website and create a new project. After that, simply paste the prompt you've retyped into the bar at the bottom. Then search for the image object you want to create. Here, I'm using a shoe as an example. I simply copy the image of the shoe and paste it into the Flow website. Wait until the website has loaded the image. Once it's loaded, simply replace the relevant section in the prompt you pasted earlier. Once finished, just click the arrow button and wait for the process to complete. And here's the result. If you like tutorials like this, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.